Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to BlossomBrush, your go-to destination for exquisite flower drawing tutorials. Here we cultivate creativity and teach you how to bring the beauty of nature onto your canvas. Our dedicated team of artists will guide you through step-by-step tutorials from delicate roses to vibrant sunflowers, ensuring you bloom as an artist. Whether you are a budding beginner or a seasoned sketcher, our videos cater to all skill levels. Join us in exploring the enchanting world of flower drawing. At BlossomBrush, we believe that every petal, every stem, and every bloom has a story to tell. Our channel is dedicated to helping you unlock the secrets of capturing the intricate details and vibrant color of flowers in your artwork. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the